Ito na. Isimulan na namin ang kanta namin. Ito nga parang tayo.
Hey! Hello, everyone!
Ilalagay yung lamesa.
Hi! First of all, I'm... Ano ba pangalan ko?
Slipknot.
Slipknot! Vocalist.
Second voice.
Ito, ano ka to?
Yung ating dispersion.
And the other guitarist and lead guitarist.
Ito.
May! Palisting thing. Hindi, lead guitarist.
The rapist.
Ito.
Second voice.
Ikaw.
The rapist.
Yes, vocalist.
Ito. The rapist. The rapist.
Okay. One, two, three, go! Ito na, lulaway ko. May bolis.
We are the best I could hear. Just be with me. That is why, my
Gumukha ano?
with the greatest of blood, oh yeah. And the rest of it will be racing to the night of the world.
Ay, wala akong pagkara.
I can feel your eyes on me. I'm not alone. So the road I want to see. Another day that I took you away. Love you just you are my love that young. Wait for you to stay. Pray for you to stay.
Ayo.
If I take it, I should give the time to give it.
Pero, woo!
I think that you hear, feel that, that's with me. I'm not alone. I can feel your eyes on me. I'm not alone. The world I want to stay. Just Mati ka na ba?
Okay. Pati na? Di ba dapat kanino ko eh?
Yun ang mga dedication.
Hoy, ka pa lang rin ako, dapat magpasalamat sa mga sponsor
Okay,
natin.
nagpapasalamat kami sa aming sponsor na
Converse.
Converse.
Condom.
Converse, saka ano?
Friendly.
Prince Condom.
Nagpapasalamat ako kay Papa
Baka sa
Jesus,
mga-
kay Mama Mary, kay Bernel, Jacqueline, Dutch,
Sa aming mga
Farewell,
sponsor, pasalamat
Seal,
namin ng aming.
Yurex, ayun lang po. Ito po
Saka yung-
sponsor namin. Lahat yan.
Saka yun sa lahat ng mga fans namin.
Ito
Thank you sa trust.
Ito po yung manager
Condom.
namin, no?
Papasalamat pala ako kay tindahan ni Aling Nena.
Ito pala ang manager namin. Si Clown Boy.
Okay na.
Ayan po. Paano po? Ito ang rapist. Ito ang rapist. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye-bye you.